Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the app and stabilizing your environment. Force close Pokémon GO, then toggle your phone's GPS off and on. This often corrects location drift. Once done, make sure battery saver and background location are enabled correctly so the game can track you. You're doing this to remove transient errors and ensure consistent telemetry. If your device shows poor accuracy, move to an open area. Clear interference helps the app require satellites and reduces phantom movement. Next, you address account and connectivity layers that cause frustration. Sign out of your account and sign back in to refresh server tokens. This fixes sync errors. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data so you can identify a flaky network. Prefer 4G or 5G for lower latency. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the game to remove corrupted files. These steps restore proper client-server communication so raids, catches, and gym updates behave reliably. Finally, you verify everything works and prepare a fallback. Do a quick test. Spin a nearby Pokestop and catch a common Pokémon to confirm location and network stability. If you still see issues, restart your device and check for OS and app updates. Developers patch many bugs in updates. Make sure to document persistent problems. Take screenshots, note timestamps, and submit them via an app support so the team can reproduce and resolve the issue for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.